Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey guys, I am back with another Project Melanin Beauty video and we are going for a classic smoky eye. And because this eye is so heavy, I am starting off with eyes first. And I'm going to begin by defining Liz's brows by using our brow pencil in dark brunette. So now I'm going in with a little concealer just to sharpen her brow a bit and clean it up. And then you want to make sure to blend that concealer out. And lastly for brows, I'm going in with a brow mascara to further groom, mold, and shape her brow. So moving on to eyes, because this eye is such a heavy eye, I like to do it first so we can clean up afterwards. And I'm going in with the Smoky Metals palette into that dark charcoal color, and I'm just applying it to the outer corner of Liz's eye, and you want to blend that out. Next I'm going into the Coco Couture palette and I'm going with that light shade and I'm just applying it under her brow as a highlight. And then I'm bringing that charcoal color into the crease just a little bit more. And then on the lid, I am using that pretty silver shade from the Smoky Metals palette. Alright, to add some more depth, I'm going in with a black shadow on the outer corner of the eye to really smoke out her eye. And here we are cleaning up all the fallout from the shadow. And under her eye at the bottom lash line, I am just blending some black shadow down there. And now I'm just applying some gel liner to the top and lower bottom. And you want to smudge that out, make it nice and smoky. There you have it. I applied some lashes and now I'm applying some mascara. This is our Intense Lash Mascara. Moving on to face, I'm going in with our HD Liquid Foundation and I'm just applying that with my Real Technique sponge. You guys know I love this sponge. One of my favorites. And now I'm going to conceal and highlight by using a cream foundation a couple shades lighter than her skin tone. And I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend that out. So next I'm just setting everything and I'm just going to use my HD translucent powder to set. Love this powder, it's very finely milled, very lightweight. And then I'm going in with the dark contour palette and I'm just highlighting. And I'm going to contour, really chisel out her features. Bring out her cheekbones, and on the cheeks I am going in with a coral blush. And lastly for lips, we're going to keep it nude. I'm going to line her lips first. And now I'm going in with one of my favorite lipsticks called Shrimp, which is a really pretty pinky pale nude. Here it is, guys. Classic smoky eye. She looks so beautiful.
Whoa! That's so pretty. Oh my god. I feel like I should go out tonight with my friends. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, the lip color is so pretty too. Oh my god. Oh, I want this lip color. That's a side note. Talk to you after. Thank you. So what makes me unique in my skin, I think, is just sort of accepting all the uniqueness that makes me me. So I think just being able to love who I am for who I am and being able to embrace every little aspect of my identity. So what I love most about being a black woman is just the sense of community that's associated with being African. I think you're almost welcome into this nice warm community of different and unique women. And I think being able to relate to different Africans of, you know, different countries and that beautiful continent is really what makes being an African so special. So what I would tell my 12-year-old self about beauty is to surround yourself with people that make you love yourself and who love you back, and always listen to your mom about every single fashion and beauty tip because she's always right.